Now, Africa accounts for a whopping 90% of world's malaria cases. Scientists in Burkina Faso recently deployed a new weapon in the war on malaria. As VOA's Arash Arabasadi explains, their battle faces bioethical blowback.
Scientists at this lab in Burkina Faso have deployed gene warfare against the parasite-carrying mosquitoes that spread malaria.
The conventional tools at our disposal today have reached a ceiling and can't become more efficient than they are right now. We have no choice but to look at complementary methods. That is why we're using genetically modified mosquitoes.
Professor Diabate runs the experiment for Target Malaria, a research consortium backed by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The group developed an enzyme that sterilizes male mosquitoes.
The action of the enzyme continues after fertilization, which means if the male copulates with a female, the embryo is dead, and the female can no longer have offspring.
But gene modification has triggered protests. Protesters question the long-term effects on ecosystems when scientists play God.
The
future is very uncertain with these mosquitoes. The future is catastrophic. The future is dark. Imagine these modified mosquitoes unleashed on nature. They may release pathogens or viruses. Entire populations and ecosystems will be decimated.
But outside Burkina Faso's capital, any solution to malaria is welcome.
In the village, we are all grateful for Target Malaria because we think the project will reduce malaria, which is killing our sons and daughters. The project is not just for us. It is for the whole world. We pray for its success.
Target Malaria says the plan is to develop a genetic fighting tool that is durable, affordable, and cost-effective.
African children have been dying of malaria for years. The goal is to release it in the field to reduce the density of these mosquitoes one way or another.
A gene drive is a term for genetic engineering that alters the probability of genes passed to offspring. In November 2018, signatories of a UN Convention on Biodiversity noted uncertainties regarding engineered gene drives. Critics fear future modifications to humans or its use in biological weapons. Arash Arabasadi, VOA News, Washington.